Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise what you do with your time. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. Managing energy. We all have fluctuating levels of energy throughout the day. Maybe you're more of a morning person, or maybe you're more of a night owl. Armed with the proper information, you can maximise your most effective times to work and rest when you need to. So what affects your energy? Circadian rhythm, the natural process that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. It repeats every 24 hours in most animals, as well as plants and even in some fungi. Ultradian rhythms. These are a subset of circadian rhythms that occur multiple times a day, lasting usually between 90 to 120 minutes. And just like circadian rhythms, tell your body when it's time to sleep and time to wake up. Ultradian rhythms tell your body when it's in work mode and when it's in rest mode. To get the most out of your natural ultradian rhythms, start a quick journal to track your energy level throughout the day. When do you feel most awake? When do you feel the most low-key? You'll begin to notice patterns, especially if you adhere to that regular sleep schedule. And once you have a good grasp of your energy levels throughout the day, you can schedule your daily tasks accordingly and use your high energy times to accomplish more complex tasks. Incorporate breaks. Make sure to plan for food and water during high energy times. Don't just push through until your next scheduled break. That will always backfire. Just as you can use your high energy times to get stuff done, use your lower energy times to rest and recover. Plan for breaks to make the most of your highly effective work periods. And sleep hygiene. Sleep is one of the best things you can do to maximize your energy. Good sleep hygiene includes wind down time at the end of the day, a routine to relax into bed, and a bedroom that works for you. Take a look around your bedroom and make sure there are no lights that could interrupt your sleep, or wear a sleep mask. And make sure all work is out of the room you're sleeping in to avoid distractions, and keep screen time to an absolute minimum at night. Light from screens has been shown to interrupt the circadian rhythms. Put that phone away. I hope these tips help you establish the necessary habits that support your best life.